Hi everyone! This is Kuya Buddy again. Let's explore magical Visayan creatures from Philippine folklore. Long ago in the Visayas, moonlit tales spoke of creatures hiding in shadows, guarding nature's secrets. Come with me as we discover some of the most fascinating and magical Cebuano mythical beings ever told. First up, we have the Sigbin. They say it creeps through the night, walking backwards with its head tucked between its legs. This strange creature feeds on shadows, silent, unseen. So if your shadow feels a little lighter tonight, maybe the Sigbin has already passed you. Did you hear that? That's the wakwak, a flying creature looking for food at night. My grandma said that when it sounds loud, it's still far away. But when its sound is slow or goes quiet, maybe it's very close to you. Better stay under your blanket. Now, be careful with the Aswang. During the day, she looks like your friendly neighbor, but when the sun sleeps, she changes into a terrifying creature hungry for fresh meat. So always be polite and keep your garlic ready, just in case. Next, let's meet the Manananggal, one of the most feared creatures in Philippine folklore. In the day, she may look like an ordinary woman, but when night falls, she splits from her lower body, sprouts bat-like wings, and flies off into the dark night, hunting for her next victim. Creepy, right? So if you ever see a strange shadow flying across the moon, be careful, it might just be her. But not all spirits are scary, mga higala. Some are gentle and kind, like the Diwata. These magical beings are guardians of our forests, rivers, and mountains. The most well-known Diwata in Philippine folklore is Maria Makiling. She is a benevolent mountain guardian believed to dwell on Mount Makiling, located between Laguna and Batangas. She is described as a beautiful and mysterious Diwata who protects the forests, wildlife, and people living near her mountain. But be careful, never pick flowers carelessly, harm trees, or leave trash behind. The Diwata is always watching, and they only reveal themselves to those with pure hearts. Hidden among the enormous trees lives the Kapre, a towering, hairy forest giant known for his deep chuckle and ever-burning cigar. You might catch a whiff of smoke or glimpse glowing eyes from the branches above. But be warned, if you disturb his tree or laugh at his presence, he might play tricks on you, making you wander in circles, lost in the woods forever. Another mythical creature in the deep forests lives the Tikbalang, a tall creature with the body of a man and the head of a horse. They say it plays tricks on travelers, making them walk in circles. But don't worry, just turn your shirt inside out and say a prayer, and you'll find your way again. Show respect, and the Tikbalang might even let you pass. Listen, what's that sound? Is that a baby crying? Don't rush to pick it up. It might be the Tiyanak, a fearsome creature that disguises itself as a helpless infant. But once you come close, it shows its glowing eyes and sharp fangs, then attacks without warning. So remember, children, always call an adult before going near strange cries in the woods. Long ago, people believed that the moon would disappear because of the Bakunawa, a giant sea dragon who loves to eat the moon. So whenever an eclipse happens, people beat drums and make noise to scare it away. If you see an eclipse tonight, baang your kaldero tuo. And then there's the Tambaloslos, a playful prankster from the forest. This little dwarf loves to laugh, pull silly tricks, and confuse travelers who wander too far from the path. But don't be scared, he's not dangerous, just naughty. If you ever hear his giggle hiding behind the bushes, laugh along with him. He likes happy people, and if you show you're not afraid, he'll let you go without fuss. Okay, there you have it guys, our wonderful Cebuano creatures, passed down through generations from the stories told from our lolos and lolas. Creatures like the shadow-hunting Sigbin, the terrifying Aswang and winged Manananggal, the night stalker the wakwak, the gentle forest guardian, the Diwata, the towering, cigar-smoking Kapre, the horse-headed trickster Tikbalang, the mighty sea dragon Bakunawa, the deceptive crying Tiyanak, and the laughing prankster Tambaluslos. Each one reminder to respect nature, care for others, and to walk through life bravely, but wisely. So next time you wander under the moonlight, remember, in every shadow and whisper, our stories live on. This is Kuya Buddy, saying daghang salamat for watching, and don't forget, always honor and respect the tales of our ancestors. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. See you again on the next video.